students, we are live now. Today we learn 12th biology, lesson 2, the topic seed. Seed is the final product of the sexual reproduction. Seed consists of seed coat, cotyledon and an embryo axis. Cotyledon store the reserve food material for development and germination. Matured seed without endosperm called non-albuminous, like in groundnut. A part of the endosperm retained in matured seed is albuminous. Remnants of nucellus is the matured seed is called perisperm, for example black pepper. The wall of the ovary develops into the wall of fruit called pericarp. Fruit developed from the ovary is called the true fruit. In apple, strawberry, cashew, the thalamus contributes in the fruit formation is called false fruit. Fruit developed without fertilization is called parthenocarpic fruits. Next, apomixis and polyembryony. Apomixis is very common in Asteraceae and grasses. Seeds are produced without fertilization. Apomixis is a type of asexual reproduction which mimics the sexual reproduction. Diploid egg cell is formed without meiosis and develops into seed form without fertilization. In citrus and mango, the nucellar cells starts dividing, protrude into the embryo sac and develop into embryo. Ovule having more than one embryo is termed as polyembryony. Hybrid plants are developed by apomixis to maintain the genetic identity. You can see here the structure of some seeds. First one, cotyledons, you can see clearly the upper portion is micropyle. Now next figure, seed coat, you can see clearly seed coat, endosperm and inside cotyledons. You can see here hypocotyl root axis. Next one is seed coat. You can see next seed coat the covering of cotyledons and the root tip provide root. Endosperms used as a nutrients provide nutrition for developing root and shoots. And downside you can see false fruits of apple and strawberry. Here outermost, that is thalamus region, you can see, and inside the thalamus there is a line and then you can see seed. This one is endocarp and middle portion of the fruit is mesocarp. Next you can see here some dry fruits, fleshy fruits and false fruits also. You can see here the outer covering Pisum sativum, that is testa, seed coat, plumula that provide the shoot portion, hypocotyl and radicle. You can see here polyembryony that are of two types. First one is simple, when ovule with one embryo sac, and multiple polyembryony when ovule with more than one embryo sac. In multiple polyembryony there is no further division, and in simple polyembryony we can classify further asexual and sexual polyembryony. If polyembryony without gamete fusion, then we say asexual polyembryony, and if with gamete fusion, then we say sexual polyembryony. Asexual polyembryony further classified gametophytic and sporophytic. Gametophytic further divide into synergids and antipodal, and sporophytic further divide into nucellar and integumentary. And next one is sexual polyembryony. You can see zygote and synergids. Next, introduction. Polyembryony is the phenomena of two or more embryo developing from a single fertilized egg, as in humans, identical twins. Polyembryony occurs regularly in many plants and animals. For example, parasitoid insects. Discovered by Leeuwenhoek in 1979 in Citrus aurantium, coined by this term Brun in 1859. It is main observed in gymnosperms than angiosperms. Now its classification, that is true polyembryony, two or more embryo arising in the same embryo sac from zygote, like in citrus plants. And second one is false polyembryony, if development of embryo is more than one embryo sac in same ovule or placenta, like in Lorenthaceae family. Thank you. Have a nice day.